Unable to save contacts on your iPhone after iOS 18 update, or frustrated with constant errors while saving contacts? Well, no worries. In this advanced video, I'm gonna fix the saving contact error on the iPhone. So without any further delay, let's get started. Solution 1, turn off restrictions. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap screen time. Now scroll down again. Then tap content and privacy restrictions. After that, turn off content and privacy restrictions. Give your device passcode if it asks. Solution 2, stop syncing and resyncing. Go to the settings, then tap Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Then tap on password from here. After that, toggle off syncing. And after a few seconds, toggle it on again. Offload and reinstall. Go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Contacts app. Then tap on it. Here you will see the offload option. Wait for a few seconds and then tap on reinstall. It will take a little time, but don't go away. Wait there until it's complete. And there you have it, a simple fix to get your contacts saved without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.